In a world where size often matters, the fascination with height extends to those individuals who surpass the norm, towering above their peers with extraordinary stature. From medical marvels to cultural icons, these towering figures stand as testaments to the boundless diversity of the human experience. 1. Robert Wadlow, USA. Robert Wadlow, often referred to as the Altoona Giant or the Giant of Illinois, holds the Guinness World Record for being the tallest person in recorded history. Born on 22 February 1918 in Altoona, Illinois, USA, Wadlow exhibited signs of rapid growth from an early age due to hyperplasia of his pituitary gland, which resulted in excessive production of growth hormone. By the time he reached adulthood, Wadlow stood at an astounding height of 8 feet 11 inches, 272 centimeters, and weighed over 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. Despite his towering stature, Wadlow was known for his gentle demeanor, humility, and intelligence, earning him the nickname, the Gentle Giant. Throughout his life, Wadlow faced numerous challenges associated with his extreme height, including mobility issues, health problems, and the constant attention of the public and media. Despite these obstacles, Wadlow embraced his uniqueness and used his fame to raise awareness and funds for charitable causes. 2. Sultan Kosen, Turkey. Sultan Kosen, a native of Turkey, holds the distinction of being the tallest living man in the world, according to Guinness World Records. Born on 10 December 1982, in Mardin, Turkey, Kosen's exceptional height is attributed to a condition known as pituitary gigantism, which causes excessive growth hormone production. At his tallest, Kosen measured a staggering height of 8 feet 2.8 inches, 251 centimeters. Throughout his life, Kosen has faced numerous challenges associated with his towering stature, including health problems, mobility issues, and the logistical difficulties of finding clothing and accommodations that accommodate his size. Despite these challenges, Kosen maintains a positive outlook on life and embraces his uniqueness with grace and humor. He has traveled the world as a cultural ambassador for Turkey, making appearances at events, TV shows, and charity fundraisers. 3. Leonid Stadnik, Ukraine. Leonid Stadnik, a native of Ukraine, gained international fame for his extraordinary height, which earned him a place in the Guinness World Records as the tallest living man before his death in 2014. Born on 5 August 1971, in Zhytomyr Oblast, Ukraine, Stadnik's exact height remains a subject of debate due to his reclusive nature and reluctance to be measured by official authorities. However, estimates suggest that Stadnik stood at a height of over 8 feet 4 inches, 254 centimeters, making him one of the tallest men in recorded history. Despite his remarkable stature, Stadnik lived a quiet and secluded life on his family's farm, avoiding the public spotlight and media attention. 4. Zheng Jinlia, China. Zheng Jinlia, a native of China, holds the Guinness World Record for being the tallest woman in recorded history. Born on 26 June 1964, in Hunan Province, China, Zheng's extraordinary height was attributed to a condition known as pituitary gigantism, which caused excessive growth hormone production. At her tallest, Zheng stood at an astonishing height of 8 feet 1.75 inches, 248.3 centimeters. Despite her remarkable stature, Zheng lived a humble and modest life, working as a farmer in her rural village and shying away from the public spotlight. Throughout her life, Zheng faced numerous challenges associated with her extreme height, including health problems, mobility issues, and the social stigma associated with being different. Despite these obstacles, Zheng remained resilient and determined, earning the admiration and respect of those who knew her. Tragically, Zheng's life was cut short at the age of 17 when she succumbed to complications related to her condition. 5. Väinö Millirin, Finland. Väinö Millirin, a native of Finland, gained international fame for his exceptional height, which earned him a place in the Guinness World Records as the tallest European man in recorded history. Born on 27 February 1909 in Helsinki, Finland, Milliren's towering stature was attributed to a condition known as acromegaly, which causes excessive growth hormone production. At his tallest, Milliren stood at an impressive height of 8 feet 3 inches, 251 centimeters. Throughout his life, Milliren faced numerous challenges associated with his extreme height, including health problems, mobility issues, and the constant attention of the public and media. Despite these obstacles, Milliren maintained a positive outlook on life and embraced his uniqueness with humor and resilience. He became a cultural icon in Finland and toured the world as a performer in circuses and sideshows, captivating audiences with his extraordinary height and gentle demeanor.